topic is cell sort. It's an algorithm that first sorts the elements far apart from each other. After they are far apart from each other, and then it will reduce the intervals between the elements to be sorted. It is one of the generalized version of insertion sort, and in a cell sort, elements at a specific intervals are sorted, and cell sort is also known as in-place comparison algorithm. Let's take an example. Let's take 77, 62, 14, 9, 30, 21, 80, 25, 70 and 55. In cell sort, first we have to find the gap. We have to find the gaps. First of all, gap is equal to floor into n by 2. For second, we have to find to find the second gap 1, we have to find the floor of gap by 2. For the third one, we have to gap 2 is equal to floor into gap 1 by 2. Okay. First of all, we have to find the n. What is n? N is nothing but this number of elements. How many number of elements? There are 10 number of elements, so n is equal to 10. First, we have to find the gap. Gap is equal to floor into n by 2. N means 10. 10 by 2, 5. Okay, let's take these elements in boxes. Then, first of all, we have to take the first element. Because there is a gap of 5, we have to take the fifth element from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 77th fifth element is 21, so they are in one level. 62 fifth element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's 80, so they are in the one level. And for 14 it's 25, they are in one level. For it's 9 it's 70, they are in one level. For 30 it's 55, they are in one level. Now we have to swap each element. Okay, not with each element means we have to shift. If 70, we have to compare 77 and 25, they are in one place. So if these are, if for example here 21 is less than 77, so it will 21 will swap here and 77 will swap here. And for 62 and 80, they will remain same because 60 is already swapped, means smaller, and 80 is larger, so it will be there. For example, like it will swap like this: 21, 62, 14, 9. It will swap like this. For pass 2, means step 2, we have to find the gap 1. Gap 1 is equal to floor into gap by 2. Gap means above 1. Gap is equal to 5. We got gap for 5. 5 by 2. It's something 2.5 or something, but it's floor. We have used floor. It will come 2. Okay. Now we have to compare with 21. We have to find the second element. It's 1, 2, 14. 1, 2, it's 30. 1, 2, it's 80. 1, 2, 70. These all, for every second element, we will be marking a circle, and next elements we will mark with an arrow. Now we have to swap each element. These all elements on the circle we can swap anywhere. Like we have to sort these elements first. Like if 14 is smaller than all the elements, so 14 will come here. Then which element is smaller in the circle ones? Next 21 is 30. It will come here like this. And the ones which are in these arrows, they will also swap in their respective places. Okay. Now we have to find the pass 3. Pass 3 is equal to floor into gap 1 by 2. We got the gap 1 of 2, so 2 by 2 it's 1. So we have to, now we got the gap 2, so we can swap this like in the bubble set. We have to swap compare with each element. 14, 9 is smaller, so it will come here. Now 14, 21, it will stay here only. Now 21, 25, like this we have to swap. It will like this we have to swap, and it will be sorted. And this is how we have to solve the cell sort. Worst case complexity of cell sort is n log square n. Best case complexity is n. Average case complexity is, it depends on the gap sequence. average base gas complexity, it mainly depends upon the gap sequence of cell short, and worst case space complexity is n. Thank you.